Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 and today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm just going to use the home screen, let's say right here. And from there all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. You'll get this animation right here, and then the image can be either clicked on and you can edit it from there, or it can also be found in your photo gallery. So let me just quickly find that, whatever it is. So there it is, gallery. And from here we're gonna go into collections, and you should see screenshot albums. Tap on it. As you can see, there's only one file, and there it is. That's the screenshot that I have captured. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.